What have the trading markets been doing this week? I'm going to take you through my trading markets for the previous week to see what's going on. Let's get stuck into it. So we'll start at the top of the watch list with Euro USD. Currently, price at the minute is just pushed all the way up through these two zones. It's now testing top zone, so we can wait and see what that does for the rest of the week. But at the minute, not a lot of movement on Euro USD for trades. AUD CAD, we had that really big movement at the start of the month. Price is now pulled all the way back in, and we're just waiting for price to come back and test the daily 50 EMA, and then I'll be looking to enter for a big short trade. AUD JPY, I was waiting to see if price is going to reject the 4-hour 50 and push back up, as you can see here, and test into this daily 50 EMA along with the week. But it hasn't done that. Now price looks like it's going to start falling off and pushing back down to the downside. So we'll see how that gets on following on the rest of the week. NZD-CHF, we have had two trades on this. So I'll drop down to the 4-hour time frame. We had a 4-hour inverted head and shoulders, which is a very strong pattern that price is going to push up, or a bullish pattern, and then price pulled back. So that is an MSBC trade. Price pulled back into here. As you see, I entered at this point on the 1-hour time frame with my stop loss just behind the 4-hour 50 here, but I think I was being a little bit too greedy and could have had a slightly bigger stop and wouldn't have get taken out of the trade. But we got took out for 1%. That would have been Sunday night, and then Monday morning I entered back in again for another trade, and at the minute that is in profit, about just shy of 1%, or 10 pips shy of 1%. So hopefully this afternoon we can get stop loss to entry, and that trade will be a risk-free trade, which is where we want to be. But you don't want to ever put stop loss to entry too early when trading, because sometimes price will come back and just test your entry point before going in the direction you really want it to. And then finally, NZD-CHF. Last week we had the 3% trade on this, and from there I've not managed to catch any more trades. We have got something shaping up. We're looking to see if price has rejected this 4-hour 50. Waiting to see if price is now going to push right the way down through that weekly zone. So if we come back to the 1-hour time frame, you can see where our clean that was a 1 to 4. We only had a 1 to 3 on the trade itself, which would have been there. At the minute, I'm waiting to see price has broken out now. Waiting to see if we can get a little pullback into this neckline before then sending price down.